What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we crawled up the highway and made it up to Copper Mountain for our first official pow day of the season. Let's enjoy it. We're riding on the Resolution Bowl side right now of Copper, and the snow's pretty good. It's a little bit of an ice layer underneath it, but otherwise, got some pretty good snow. Best I've seen all year. Yeah, and this is only run number 2, and like I said, this is the best snow I've seen at Copper this year, which doesn't say a whole lot. I know it's been a tough year for a lot of resorts out here in Colorado, but it's nice to see a pow day. So we're on the Resolution Bowl side right now of the resort. Did a couple runs over here, and we are now going to go over to the Copper Bowl to see if that's open and see if Three Bears is open, because if it's anything like over here, hopefully the back bowl's a little better. You good, brother? So we just got to the back of the Copper Bowl, and the girlfriend actually noticed that Three Bears is running. I thought it wasn't running this morning. I thought it was shut down for right now, and maybe they're going to open it up later, but it seems to be open. So we're riding up that right now, and going to go do a couple turns back on Three Bears, probably rock down the one where there's like this little chute that you can go inside of, and it's almost like a little mini half pipe. These are definitely awesome runs over here. It hasn't been open for too long, but when it is open, it's in my opinion some of the best runs here. So we're gonna go test it out right now and see how the snow is. We're having a heat wave, tropical heat wave, sun is shining, we're having a heat wave. cliff. I did not know that was there. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for us today. We pretty much spent the whole day on the back bowls, which was awesome. It's really good to come back here right away. I mean, when the snow is really good back here, it's definitely worth taking advantage of. But right now we're just going to go back over to the front side, probably run up a couple groomers and enjoy some time up there, and then make our way back down to Center Village and then the east parking lot where we came from. The parking lot this morning wasn't too bad. There wasn't that many cars here when we arrived, obviously because it was a bitch driving up here. But this has to be one of the best days of the season so far for either one of us. And so glad we got to come up here. So glad you guys got to tune in. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, consider subscribing to the channel. But I just want to thank you guys again so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Woo! I'm so excited right now. Oh my God, we're having a heat wave, tropical heat wave. Hey ma'am, are you okay? You didn't have any alcoholic beverages today, did you? If you did, you're gonna have a bad time.